So, if you're looking to earn passive income with DeFi apps, here's the straightforward way to do it. First, forget the hype around random meme coins. What you want are stable, proven DeFi protocols. Apps like Aave, Curve, or even staking pools on platforms like Lido are way safer than chasing the next pump. Step 1. Get yourself a secure wallet. MetaMask or a hardware wallet or Trust Wallet or Phantom. Because hacks still happen every day. Step 2. Choose how you want to earn. You can stake tokens, provide liquidity, or deposit into lending pools. For example, you put Ethereum into Aave and you earn interest while borrowers pay to use it. Step 3. Diversify. Don't lock everything into one pool. Spread it across stable coins like USDC or DIA and a couple of strong tokens like Ethereum to balance the risk. Step 4. Monitor the yields. APYs look juicy, but if it's too good to be true, it usually is. Stick to realistic yields in the 5 to 15% range for long-term growth. And final tip, always withdraw profits regularly. Compounding is great, don't just leave it all on there forever. And that's how you turn DeFi apps into real passive income. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.